Today we'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel. Now we are going to be making this tutorial very brief. We don't want to bother with so many guides, which will still end up to a simple guide. So the first thing first is you have to log into your Google accounts, because Gmail, they are all owned by Google. So you log in your Google accounts. I'm logging my email accounts now. You see secured best at gmail.com. Know my password. Should I tell my password? That's funny, right? Now you enter your own password. Then enter. Now wrong password. Remember, the necessity of opening this account first is to bypass a part where some steps. That is why we open up the Gmail accounts down first. Now once we are in YouTube account, what next to do? Here we go. You see, like I said, the importance of signing up to your email account first, your Gmail account first, is to bypass the process of filling out so many forms. So create down your email account on Gmail first before trying to create a channel on YouTube. So now once you've entered youtube.com, they click on sign in, or it will automatically synchronize with your Gmail sign in. So now when it synchronized to your Gmail sign in, then you come down here and click on my channel. When you click on your channel, then you click on create channel. You click on create channel. Now this is how you create a channel. Just easy. Now your channel is ready. What next for you now is to set up your accounts and upload your video. That is just it. Where people get it wrong is they go to youtube.com and start creating a fresh account. No, remember, with just a single username and password, you can just sign up to every other Google account. Gmail, Google Plus, Google Drive, just name them, and so on, AdSense and others. So now you've created your channel. All you need to do, like I said, is to just go forward and upload your videos. Make your videos, publish your videos, and it's quite simple. Just simple. So if you want to customize more, this is the customize tab. Customize your channel, YouTube Studio, and so on. So that is it. The simple guide to create a YouTube channel. Peace.